Wisconsin Supreme Court Justice Michael Gableman at risk of losing his law license, and he's now targeting the court's liberal justices who will soon be deciding his fate. Political Director Matt Smith tonight on the new controversy stemming from the 2020 election.
You spent a year investigating election fraud, and it's good to see you as well. But you spent a year investigating election fraud. Let me ask you why now you're why? No. Let me ask you though.
September 2022. Former state Supreme Court Justice Michael Gableman not interested in our questions that day, shortly after being fired by Republican Assembly Speaker Robin Vos, who first hired Gableman to investigate the 2020 election after President Trump lost the state, and spending several million in taxpayer dollars to do so.
Hiring Mike Gableman was the biggest mistake that I made as Speaker. So he lied to me, he lied to the Assembly, he lied to all of us, and he should be embarrassed.
Now Gableman will likely lose his law license, a looming decision before the state Supreme Court. In a new letter to the court, Gableman, though, now says his due process rights are being denied after two justices, Rebecca Dallett and Janet Protasewicz, rejected his calls to recuse themselves for statements they made about him on the campaign trail. The punishment stemming from the state office overseeing lawyers, alleging Gableman violated the rules of professional conduct during the 2020 investigation.
Gableman, who received praise from President Trump during the investigation, has agreed to give up his law license for 3 years. But the liberal-controlled state Supreme Court does have the final say and could impose an even harsher penalty when the justices ultimately rule. In the newsroom, I'm Matt Smith, WISN 12 News.
Now, we do know Justice Susan Crawford has recused herself from the case, but not because of Gableman's request. The justices have not responded to Gableman's most recent letter.